Morning, guys.
Very good morning, sir.
My name is Deepak Kumar. I'm from Ladana. I request you to ask me some questions.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Tell me about 5 uses of pen except write.
Sir, we can keep it in our pocket.
It is used.
Yes, it is also used.
So what is the benefit of this if we
It looks charming.
yeah. Okay.
And second benefit. Sorry, sir, I'm not calling to mind.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Same to you, sir.
Hi sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, I have a question that a lot of people are earning money by YouTube, but because of competition, we are unable to earn money by YouTube.
Yes.
What is the solution you have?
Sir, I don't have any type of solution, but I can tell you.
Yes.
Most of the people are able to earn money by the YouTube, so it is good. If you want to also make money by YouTube, so you will have to create that thing which is not going on, which is not being made by the people, so you will be able to earn money by YouTube, I think.
Which type content should we make?
Sir, nowadays, do you run your YouTube channel?
No, I am just asking to you.
Sorry, I have no idea what type of contents you should make.
Thank you, sir.
Same thing.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Sir, as the nuclear bombs are increasing day by day, as per reports, India increased also eight bombs. In 2023, it was 164. Now it is 172.
Yes.
Do you think that India is preparing for upcoming time?
Yes, I think India is preparing for upcoming time. So what should I say in this?
No. At India will have to fight two front. Maybe that you also know that we don't have good relation with the China
Yes.
and Pakistan as well.
Pakistan as well. Yes.
So I want to know that India is preparing for itself for two front war.
Yes, sir. Why not? And I would say India has a lot of friends. A lot of countries will stand with India at that time. Whenever India will be fighting with them, I think such.
Don't you think that as we believe our neighbors, we follow the policy that neighbor first, as we
Yes.
saw in our take oath ceremony
Yes.
when it was taken on June 9. So we invited most of the countries neighbor.
Yes.
But don't you think that neighbors like such Nepal, Sri Lanka,
Bhutan
and others,
Sri Lanka. Yes.
Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, others, as India respect them, as India respect their sovereignty, they don't do with India.
Could you please repeat your last sentence?
As India respect their sovereignty,
Yes.
they don't respect India's sovereignty.
Sir, it depends on them. They are doing such type of things or not. But India is standing through thick and thin with them. So whenever in our India there is a war which is going on, so India will stand by them and they will stand with India. I
No,
think.
in few years, like we also conflict with Nepal, sometime also the Sri Lanka.
Yes.
Because when Sri Lanka gave the Hamantota to China, it was the very rare case for India. So don't you think that India being strongly between like scolding to its neighbor in that position, India is getting that position that it is scolding their neighbors that you will have to follow us.
No, India is not doing such type of things because India knows how to run our country and how to take solution. I don't have much knowledge about this.
Thank you. Nice talking.
Same thing. Was also. Hi, sir.
Sir, may I know why the people say that we are getting day by day, we are getting unemployment day by day, but it is sad before last 5 years, before 5 years, but the BJP has started in 2014. But may I know that what the people were government servant before 2014. As the people
Sir,
say that we are unemployed, unemployment is increasing day by day.
so it is right to say unemployment are increasing day by day in our India because of AI, because of
Yes.
technology.
Yeah.
As we all know very well, whenever we want to go somewhere, we have own vehicle, so we are going there by our own vehicle. If in after 2 or 3 years, I think such each and every person will have his own vehicle. So how will we go other state like?
I just asked you related to government. I just asked you related to government. I know that the unemployment is increasing because of AI. And the it is also being digital. So I just want to know about your opinion. That is it is it increasing by government?
Yes, sir. In this
Tell.
government, a lot of people are unemployment because
Lloyd.
they have lost their jobs due to this government. It is being said nowadays, as we know very well, in Indian Army they have done only 4 years. They can do.
Yeah, as you said that Indian Army was being done for years, but now
Yes.
it has been increased. It has been developed for.
So what
It has
about
been
those
increased
people who
period.
have joined only for 4 years?
So they also said says they 75% people will also regain, means they can also regain.
Not 75%, only 25%.
No, it was when it was studied for 20 when it was for 4 years, then it was 25%. But it has been changed. The policies has been changed now.
So it
If
is
they are
also
if
good.
they match with such policies, then they can also restart their life. So
But I
their
have
lives.
seen if someone is doing 100 work,
Yes.
and he has done 90 work good and 10 work are not good,
Okay.
so
I ex-
people will start thinking about 10 works only, which is done by that person. So it
Okay.
happens.
Thank you. You have also